Well, good afternoon and welcome to not Paris, not the Eiffel Tower, but something I have hung on my wall. And I just wanted to show you something I did real quick. This is a model E51 Mustang that I built. It's not the greatest creation ever put into plastic, but I wanted to show you it because I think it's pretty cool. And so just a few little features about it. I love this product. It's called Prop Blur, and no, this isn't a camera trick. It's actually metal that is laser cut to look like it's spinning, and actually it does such a good job. It's really kind of hard to see its actual details. But this is based on an actual World War II dogfight in which a American fighter pilot chased a Messerschmitt all through Paris, under the Eiffel Tower, and out the other side. And I thought, well, how am I gonna put this thing on the back of the picture? And what I did was, I used an old coat hanger. Yep, just a coat hanger. So I cut it, I glued it, and it looks great, I think. I just enjoy doing models. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll see more and more over time of the things I've done. I like to express creativity in unique and interesting ways. And so I bought this kit before I even had the Eiffel Tower. And then I was at the thrift store looking for vinyl records one day. And I thought, where am I gonna find a picture of the Eiffel Tower that works? And this one definitely works. It's the right size, it's the right color, it's the right profile, it's the right everything. And if you look at this thing at a different angle, it doesn't look quite as good, but I think it looks pretty cool. From the top, maybe not quite so much. From the bottom, it totally does. And from the other side, whoop, pretty close, pretty cool. I love it when I do a project and it comes out better than I had hoped. So that is going to be my little show and tell for the day. I'm going to put a link to an article that tells about the story of this actual historic event. But I would like you to comment below if you have built any dioramas and what you did to bring them to life. I'm always looking for new tips and techniques and tricks. And so I would love to get some advice on anything I can put into future builds. Thank you for your time. Have a fantastic day.